This is a video tutorial and overview of our jobs directory. In the next few minutes, we will cover all the features of the directory and how to navigate it. If you are interested in a particular part, you can jump to the specific times being displayed now. Save time and gain access to quality MBA level jobs through our jobs directory. We have hundreds of thousands of jobs from all around the world, across various industries, employers, and languages. Jobs are posted directly by employers, or they're sourced by us and filtered through our proprietary algorithms to ensure their quality and relevance. Whether you're looking for internships, mid-level jobs, or top management positions, we've got you covered, and it's all tailored specifically for MBAs. You can also get weekly or daily job alerts straight to your inbox, with new jobs matching your preferences. Stay tuned for more detailed information, as well as how to make the most of the features we offer. You can access the job search through the top navigation by hovering over the Jobs tab and clicking on Search Jobs. Each of our jobs is thoroughly categorized, so you can search by location, employer, job area, job title, any specific keywords, and if the position you're looking for is an internship, mid-level, or top management position. You can also check this box to only show jobs from your favorited employers. Please note that at least one location has to be selected to perform a search. Once you have entered your search criteria, click the Find Jobs button on the right. The first thing you will see from your search is a market overview of one of your chosen locations. This market overview includes the most popular employers, the most popular industries by percentage, which you can hover over for more details, companies which have had an upward trend in popularity on the platform, and the number of new jobs being posted over the past 6 months, which you can also hover over for more details. Below the market overview, to the left, you will see the total number of jobs that match your search criteria. Below that will be the jobs themselves. Each job thumbnail contains the date of posting, the company logo, the job title, the job area, the name of the company, and the job locations. Clicking on the job title will take you to the full job posting. Clicking the company logo or company name will take you to the job stats page for that employer. You can add any job to your favorites by clicking on the star in the top left corner of the thumbnail. In the right-hand column, you will find general information about the employer and have the option to view their employer profile and add them to your favorites. Each job posting will also contain the job title, as well as the job area and job type. Below that, the date of posting and job location. Next will be the job description, containing all pertinent details about the job, including responsibilities and qualifications. If the job interests you and you wish to apply, you can click on the Apply button at the top or bottom of the page. You can also add the job to your favorites by clicking on the Favorites button, or report the job if you notice any mistakes or inconsistencies by clicking on the Report button. Through our job alert system, you can get new jobs matching your criteria sent directly to your inbox, which can really help take the hassle out of constantly searching. Let's take a quick look at how to set this up. On the job search page, fill out the search criteria like you would for performing a normal search. However, instead of clicking the Find Jobs button, click on the Job Alert button. Then click Create a new job alert based on current criteria. Enter a name, then click Save. Your job alert has now been created, which you can also view on your dashboard under the My Communications section. You can have multiple job alerts activated simultaneously and choose how often your alerts get sent. At any time, You can load your job alert by clicking on the job alert button and selecting it. This will also load in the search criteria. You can then make any changes to the search criteria and update your job alert by selecting Update Your Alert. Or, if you are no longer interested in that alert, you can delete it by selecting Delete Your Alert. This concludes the tutorial video for our jobs directory, which we hope you found helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us at helpline@mba-exchange.com.